Hi friends, this is Hema from Clean and Organize. Today in our channel we are going to see a simple and healthy recipe, energy balls, which is rich in nutrients, vitamins and minerals and also helps in weight loss. The nuts and dates used in this energy balls contains a lot of potassium, calcium, vitamins and is also rich in antioxidants. Take a blender and add the almonds, walnuts, cashews, flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. You can also add sunflower seeds or chia seeds and also pistachio. Now grind all these nuts to a fine powder or coarse powder. It's up to you. I am going to grind it to a slightly coarse powder. Now add the black raisins or golden raisins and grind it. Then add the dates from which we have removed the seeds to this mixture and grind it well. You can also add some honey if you want more sweetness. The nuts and dates makes you feel fuller. This reduces the calorie intake, which in turn helps in weight loss. After grinding, check if this mixture is ready to be made into a ball. If not, add some more dates or honey and grind it. Now transfer all the mixture into a bowl. Apply some ghee or oil in your hand and start making the balls of your desired size. Now our healthy energy balls is ready. I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at your home and give me the feedback. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to watch more interesting and different videos, don't forget to subscribe to Clean and Organize channel.